Hello everyone, welcome. My name is Baldi Abdullah and I'm a student, and in this video I'm going to show you a way to use free open source online tools for writing your Python code. It's basically called as open source tool for data science, but you can use them as well even if you are not a data scientist, or if you don't know about data scientists as well. If you want to run any Python code or any any other just code, you can do it. So let me show you those open source softwares. You don't need right now to install those softwares in your laptop. You can use them online. It is free, available online. So to get started, let's jump in. I'm just going to open my browser, and what I'm going to write, first of all, I'm going to show you, there are three that I'm going to show you. Let's start by the first one, most popular one, which is Google Colab. You just need to write here Google Colab. Colab, and then you will see the first link, which is Google Colab. You will see here Python Data Science Handbook. You just need to click on Google Colab, and it will open another window, and in that window you will see some examples. And this is basically, they told us to give just a filter of notebooks. Means if we already have any notebook, we can upload it using this one. If we have a GitHub account already linked, we can just set a path to get that data. If we have it in our Google Drive, for example, me, I already have all these, I can just load them. Otherwise, this is just telling me the recent that I opened, the recent one that I used. These are the recent notebook that I used, and this is an example. It means we just need to create a new notebook here just by writing anything here and hitting the create. I'm just going to give the name as example, and I will hit in this create new notebook, and it will open now another window where we can write our code and run everything. So I will just give a small demo. So this is basically our environment where we can run our code, and in this environment I need to emphasize that we cannot use these resources without having internet. You must have internet. Even if your internet is not very good, you can use it, and you can use it as well in your mobile phone as well if you want. So let me just try to show you how you can execute your code here. I'm just writing a simple print hello world, and then to run it, I'm just hitting at the same time the button shift and enter. It will directly run the cell and open another cell. But if you are just coming to the this side, in your left hand side, you will see here run the cell. You click there, it means it will run the cell, but it won't open it. And as you can see here, it's giving me RAM and disk. So this is what basically they call cloud computing. It will give you something from the cloud. Your code is running there. For example, I can just create a list which is equal to list range 10. Means I'm having a list of 10 elements. If I put L, it will give me a list of 10 elements from 1 to 10. From 1 to 10 means exclusive, so 0 to 9. And I can do list comprehension as well. Just whatever I want, I can do it. I can do I square, for example, I square for I in L. I just need to assign this one as my variable equal to I just need to put double L equal to this one, and then if I put here double L without even printing, it will give me it will double my first list, giving me here 0 square is 0, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9. It will go so on, as 9 square is 48, 1. And this is basically how you can open this free open source and run your Python code. And let's go to another one. The next one we are going to see is known as skills network labs. So basically this is from IBM, and it is giving you also free cloud storage and a lot of available options that you can use for writing code for let's say R, Python, Swift, and many others. So here you have the option to choose what you want. This is my data, where if you want to store your data, it is really organized. This is managing your data, and this is repair the data coming soon, means these are the idols developer applications, and this is the cloud, and these are the notebook that I am going to show you. You can use this is built-in analysis. It means you can use it for doing your analysis. This is Jupyter Lab. Basically, if you have worked with Python, Anaconda, and Anaconda has Jupyter Notebook and Jupyter Lab. Maybe you have used it, maybe you haven't, but Jupyter Lab and Jupyter Notebook is quite same. Everything is same. The only difference is that Jupyter Notebook doesn't show you the data, but Jupyter Lab can show you in your left hand side every notebook that you opened, and the data also it will, so you will be able to see it. If you don't need to go back and check exactly where is your data to get the URL and load it. And to get started, you can just click in anything. Let's try Jupyter Notebook. This Zeppelin notebook means you can run multiple language here. You can use multiple language. Let's run this Jupyter Notebook, and for this one it will take some time. It depends on your internet, but don't worry, it will open. It is just taking time, but it's it will work really fine, as you have seen in that means Google Colab. So it just depends on your internet, because it is loading a lot of resources, and that's why it's taking time. But let's wait for now. And it's telling me that your server is starting up, means my server is starting, and it's redirecting automatically when it is ready. And this is my username as you can see. Well, as you can see, it is launching, and right now we have the environment where we can run our Python code, or Spark, Scala, Julia, R, Swift. You can see here, this is what I was telling you, that Jupyter Lab will show you the data. Where is your data? So in this area you can see my data here, like car.csv, and the notebook, that face notebook, and Titanic analysis. These are the notebook that I have, and the data. So here I can choose anything. This is the console, and these are the notebook. Even Swift for developing Apple's ISO. You can use the Swift, you can use R, you can use Julia, which is a new programming language. Which is not it's just a programming language which is quite similar to Python. It is mostly used for data science. And let's just start by just running this Python for the notebook. It will open another new notebook. So for this one also we can do the same, just same example I'm going to give you. But just we can do print hello world. Oh. Then we got our output. This one is really fast. The only thing is that just wait for a moment till it loads. When it loads, everything is fine. You can run your code really easily. I can just define a function def add. I want to add two numbers. I will say x comma y, and then I'll just return x plus y. So if I just come here, I say add 5 comma 5, this will directly it is directly, oh, I put two parentheses, I just made a mistake. I just need to say add 5 comma 5. It will add it and give me the output 10. So if I put add 8 plus 8, it oh, I need to put comma instead of plus. I'm sorry. It is giving me 16. So this is basically what this one looks like, and you can try other as well. You can try any other also. I can load my data set also if I want. I can just copy the path here, and this is just a small thing that I'm going to show you. You can share it in your GitHub account. That I will give it this one for another video. So let's jump to another one. The last thing that I'm going to show you is how you can use IBM Watson. That I already made a video for it, but just let me try to show you. It is almost same, and this one you can add a lot of resources. And let me just open it. I just type it, and this is open. This is my environment, and if you want to know more about how to set it up, you can watch my video, the other video. I'm just going to show you how it looks like, and it is really free. Everything is free. You can have it for free. Just need to get a good internet connection, and then you will be able to do your work. So this is basically the environment for this IBM Watson. These are the projects that I have done so far. I just need to click in this add project, and then I will choose what I want. I just need to choose notebook here because I want to create a new notebook, and then it is telling me to give the name. I just say because I will work on it, I just say let's say just example also as well. Okay, so you can give description, but the good thing is that I just don't want to go in deep. This is just giving me 2 CPUs and 8 GB RAM. I don't want to go in deep. If you want to know more about it, please look at another video that I already made for it. I just need to hit in create button, and just wait for some time. It will allocate all the resources, and it will show us the environment where we can enjoy writing our code. So it's loading. Let's say it depends on your internet connection also for this one, but let's wait. It's setting the environment for us for runtime. It's almost done. Just a few seconds maybe. Here we go. Now we have the environment. It's look really similar to the other two, like the Zeppelin, the Jupyter Lab, and as well as the Google Colab. So I will just put print hello world. It is giving me the output. I'll just put def add x comma y, and I'll just say return. Let me change this add to sub, means I'm subtracting, and then I'm saying x minus y. I'll just, if I come here, I say sub I say 6 comma 2. I'm subtracting 6 to 3, and if I run this, it is giving me 3. And if I run sub, means 7 to 8. How much is it? Minus 1. So this is basically what I want to show you, and if you like the video, please share it, like it, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, please don't hesitate, make a comment below. I will answer. Thanks for watching.